5 circular saw mistakes beginners always make. The circular saw is one of the most useful power tools you can own, but if you're new to it, there are some easy mistakes that can ruin your cuts or even damage the tool. Here are 5 common mistakes beginners make and how to avoid them. 1. Not supporting the workpiece properly. Cutting a board that isn't supported on both sides can cause the wood to pinch the blade, leading to binding or kickback. Always use sawhorses or scrap wood to keep your piece steady and free from pressure on the cut line. 2. Using the wrong blade. Not all blades are the same. A fine-tooth blade is best for clean cuts in plywood, while a framing blade is better for fast rough cuts. Using the wrong blade gives you tear-out, rough edges, and makes the saw work harder than it should. 3. Forcing the cut. A circular saw blade should glide through the material. Pushing too hard causes the motor to strain, the blade to overheat, and the cut to wander. Let the saw's weight and sharp blade do the work. 4. Ignoring depth adjustment. Many beginners leave the blade set too deep. This not only increases the risk of kickback but also wears the blade faster. A good rule is to set the blade so the teeth extend about a quarter inch below the material. 5. Skipping safety basics. No safety glasses, no hearing protection, and sometimes even loose clothing near the blade. The circular saw is powerful and unforgiving. Taking a few seconds to gear up properly can prevent serious accidents. Final tip. Mistakes with a circular saw usually come down to setup, blade choice, and patience. Master these basics and you'll make cleaner, safer, and more accurate cuts every time. If you're seeing this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you get to be notified whenever a new video drops. For more information on power tools, reach us at gz-supplies.com or email us at sales@gz-supplies.com. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.